Hey streamers, welcome to part 8 of my Mix It Up tutorial series. This time I'm going to cover the user function. In order to get to the user function, you're going to click on this icon here. You're going to go down to where it says users and then click on it. One key thing about Mix It Up is you have to remember to leave it running while you are streaming. That's the only way it's going to be able to push these functions you're setting up to your stream and to record data on the back end. I do have my user list hidden, but what you're going to be able to do with this is you're going to see everybody that comes into your chat. You're going to see how long they were there, and you're going to see a lot of other information about them, such as their role. And if I click on an edit icon next to one of the users, this one happens to be one of my mods, Goulette, you're going to see what role she has, how long her account has been active, how long she's been following me, and how long she has watched my stream for since I've been using this application. And you're going to go down, you're going to see other notes as well. Now, one cool thing you can do is you can actually set up a special entrance command for any of your users. So if I were to do that, I would click add command. And just like any of the other functions that we've set up, you're going to go down to action and decide what you want to do. One thing I like to do for my regular viewers and my VIPs is set up a custom entrance command so that when they show up in chat, it shows a shout out of them, showing a clip from their channel, an image of them, and maybe even plays a sound if that's cool. If you like this tutorial, like, follow so you won't miss the next one.